Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android contacts with Google Contacts Sync. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Android device and unlock it. Locate and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and find Accounts or Users and Accounts. Tap on Google or your Google account. If you don't have an account linked, tap that account and follow the prompts to sign in. Once you're in your Google account settings, look for Account Sync. Make sure that Contacts is turned on. If it is off, toggle the switch to enable Contacts Sync. Now, exit the settings and open the Contacts app on your device. You should see a list of all your contacts. To ensure everything is synced, wait a few moments for the syncing process to complete. You can check the sync status in the Account Sync section of your Google account settings. To access your contacts from a computer, go to the Google Contacts website. Sign in with the same Google account you used on your Android device. Here, you will see all your synced contacts listed. To back up your contacts, you can click on Export in the left sidebar. Choose the desired format, usually Google CSV, for a backup file. Follow the prompts to save the file to your computer. This backup is now securely stored and can be used for future restoration. Your Android contacts are now backed up using Google Contacts Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.